In this video, I'm going to show you a simple scalping strategy that works perfectly for the 1-minute time frame. It uses a special indicator called the Williams Fractals indicator, and we're going to combine it with some additional indicators to make it even more effective. It's easy to use, works across almost all markets, and most importantly, it delivers results. Let's dive right in. First things first, open TradingView or any other charting platform you use. I've set the time frame to 1 minute, but this strategy can work for all time frames. Now let's add the Williams Fractals indicator. Go to the Indicators tab, type in Williams Fractals, and select it. The default settings work perfectly, but make sure to set the period to 2. For clarity, change the colors to green for up arrows and red for down arrows. Next, let's add the moving averages. Go back to the Indicators tab and search for 3 moving averages. It should be the one by Advent Trading. Once added, go to the settings and adjust. Set length 1 to 20, length 2 to 50, and length 3 to 100. For simplicity, color them green, yellow, and red respectively. Now that the setup is complete, let's go over how this strategy works. For a long trade, the 20-day moving average, green line, must be above the 50-day, yellow line, and the 50-day must be above the 100-day, red line. If the lines are crossing, avoid entering a trade. When they are aligned correctly, you're ready to look for an entry. Wait for the price to pull back under the 20-day or the 50-day moving average. Once you see a green arrow from the Williams Fractals indicator, it's your signal to enter. For example, confirm the moving averages are aligned correctly. Wait for the price to dip under the 20-day moving average. Once the green arrow appears, open a long position. Set your stop loss below the 50-day moving average and aim for a 1.5 profit ratio. If the price moves further down before the green arrow appears and crosses the 50-day, your stop loss should be set below the 100-day moving average, keeping the same profit ratio. Here's an important rule. If the price closes below the 100-day moving average, do not enter a trade, even if the Williams Fractals indicator shows a green arrow. For short trades, the rules are reversed. The 100-day moving average must be on top, followed by the 50-day with the 20-day at the bottom. Wait for the price to rise above the 20-day, and then look for a red arrow from the Williams Fractals indicator. Enter a short position, set your stop loss above the 50-day, and aim for a 1.5 profit ratio. Remember, patience is key. Trust your strategy and don't panic if the price takes time to reach your target. If you're trading on the 1-minute time frame, ensure your broker has low fees, as frequent trades can otherwise eat into your profits. That's it. A winning strategy using moving averages and the Williams Fractals indicator. All I ask in return is for you to take 2 seconds to like this video. If you want to learn about another one of my favorite strategies, check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.